So let's talk about your music and making it a little bit better. Mixing sound is an art and science in of itself, but you can do a few things in iMovie to help boost the quality for your singer's tutorial and for online worship. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your audio track is selected and not a slide. You can see how it changes. It's yellow if I selected a slide, and now it'll be yellow when I select my music. I want you to come up here in this row of icons up at the top. You're going to want to go to the speaker icon and click on auto. That will automatically kind of level out your sound and loudness throughout your clip. The next thing you want to do is click on the one next to it. Looks like little bars. You want to reduce the background noise. And I want you to listen to it right now while it's set on flat. This is how it was imported. So that was flat, how the music came in. If you come up here to the menu of choices, let's slide it down to Music Enhance and then play it and see what that sounds like. Hopefully you can hear the difference. So to recap, this is what we did. We went to the top, we clicked on auto to sort of auto equalize everything. Then we came next door to the bars icon. We reduced the background noise by ticking the checkbox. And then from the equalizer options of choices, we chose Music Enhance.